The nice thing is the plaster dries pretty quickly. So when we did demo, we found these, what I call plaster stencils. I tried to recreate them. You can stencil with plaster, and that seemed like the right thing to do. And let's just peel it down. Very nice and gently.
Down?
Yeah. Ah! Oh no!
Ah.
It's okay. Huh. Did we booger this up?
I'd say we didn't.
Yeah.
It was a pretty good job. No boogering
No boogering.
on this job.
No. How do you feel about
I
it?
feel like I used that word incorrectly.
It looks good.
It does.
It needs to be thinner.
Yeah.
I mean, when we're up real close to it, you can see slight imperfections.
Yeah, you notice a little bit more.
Yeah.
More.
More. Let's do more. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Now we've just got to paint them the same color as the wall, and we'll be done. I'm super happy. Come in here. I don't care how sweaty you are. I'm super happy with what we've done here.
I like it a
I'm not
lot.
usually this happy with my crafts the first time. All right, let's get out of here.
All right.
Our Capitol house is down to the finishing touches.
Look at these cute little nuggets.
Mom finished up all the final landscaping,
It's gonna be so pretty.
and now today is gonna be a little bit different because Mom left for a long-awaited vacation. So it's up to me to get the place looking perfect so we can show Brandy, the former owner, the finished product tomorrow. Even though this house is more than 100 years old, our goal was to be able to update it a little bit and still respect that age. So a lot of the things in it have this modern, traditional vibe.
All right, there's a couple colors here that we need to take into consideration.
In Mom's absence, Zoe and Tad are helping me kind of put the final touches on the house. Not necessarily because they're the best choice, but they were the available choice. They have muscles and limbs.
I'll let you pivot. Okay.
Pivot.
Boom.
Mina is mucho prego, and she can't move everything. So, you know, she brought in the guns. Boom. The left and the right.
Thunder and lightning.
Yes.
What do you think? Are we in the hunt?
You're close.
Okay.
Yeah,
She knows we bring the heat.
We do. We bring it.
Yeah, every time.
we're pretty good. They didn't do that bad.
Boom.
Hot fire.
So we're creating like a little vignette over here.
I like vinaigrette on my salads.
You're ridiculous.
It's almost dinner time. All you're thinking about is food, so
That's all I ever
we're
think
good
about.
here. Let's rock and roll.
Let's do it.
Not to the couch.
Out.
Out. Lots of changes since we saw you last. The house, my giant belly. We got a lot going on.
Yeah, we do.
So did you just like visit the house or did you grow up in the house too?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we all lived there. It was my grandparents' house.
So Mom is not here, unfortunately. She is on vacation. So it's just me today. And I get the privilege of showing Brandy and her cousin Ashley their old childhood home. So do you guys have any expectations?
I had a dream about it, and I want to see.
Tell me about your dream.
It was just beautiful. I had a dream, and I was sitting at the top of the stairwell, and I just saw everything just fixed.
Yeah. Last time Brandy walked through the house, it was pretty far into demo, and I think it'll be really special to be able to bring her back through and see the finished product. So take a look at the outside.
Oh my gosh. I'm kind of speechless. It's purple.
Is that good or bad?
It's beautiful. Beautiful.
It's definitely purple.
Gorge. It looks gorgeous.
We had to break up the whole old porch because it was just falling apart. So that's all brand new. We were able to keep all the old dental molding up top.
You can still see what it was in what it is.
You ready, ladies? I think so. Come on in. Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. Look at it. It is the same color it was in my dream.
It is?
It's beautiful. Oh my God. The stairwell is still there.
Mm-hmm. We were able to keep all the original woodwork. One of the cool things that Mom did, she took the rubbings of the details that were on the walls over here and recreated them and put an accent on this wall. and then used the rubbings as art in the staircase, which I think it turned out really cool.
Gorgeous look. They're perfect.
Yeah.
Just like
They look exactly like them.
I know. She did a great job.
Yeah. Because before when you walked in, it was a little bit more closed off and there was the columns. You kind of had to walk through the hallway to get around everything and then the kitchen in the back. Unfortunately, we couldn't keep the columns for structural reasons, but now it's all opened up, which works better for modern living.
It's beautiful. You did a great job.
Thank you. Do you want to go around the corner to see the kitchen?
Yes. Oh my goodness.
A little bit different.
Very different. Wow. It is gorgeous.
Very different.
Look at this. Look at the island.
It's a lot of cabinet space.
a lot
I wish we would
different.
have had this back then.
So we did
Oh
some nice
my
French
gosh.
doors, kept as many of the windows as we could. But this is so nice because you could have 20 kids in the living room, cooking in the kitchen, and everyone can still, you can be within yelling distance.
You hear somebody yell bingo.
Yeah, that's
We
another
would on
thing. That's one of the
Thanksgiving.
things you did. Bingo.
Bingo on Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
That's a good tradition. Do you guys want to come check out the dining room? Come on over this way.
The window seat. I love that you kept the window seat.
We were able to keep that, and we actually added this chair rail detail, painted the bottom half blue to just give it a little bit more something.
Everything is amazing because we've given up. You know, we were ready to tear it down.
I'm so glad you guys did it.
It was such a big project, as you could see
Yeah.
that. You know, it was too much for us to
beautiful.
take on.
Well, do you guys want to go upstairs to the bedrooms?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Go this way. So we put all new treads on because those were a little rough, but we were able to keep all of this original. So this is your first of 2 guest rooms.
Oh, it's so cute. It's adorable.
feels
I
the
wondered
same,
what
though.
was gonna happen with this because this was like,
like a parlor
the
kinda,
doors,
yeah.
and that was my grandparents' room on the other side.
Whose room was this?
This was everybody's.
So other than a major facelift, this room pretty much stayed in the same spot.
It did.
Do you want to see grandparents' room?
Yes. It's so cute. I love it.
The fireplace was no longer functional, so we ended up taking that out to give you more room in here because we added a full bath on the other side, so these 2 rooms now have their own bathroom.
We definitely needed a bathroom. Yeah.
Well, these are exciting and all, but I feel like we need to go see the master suite. That's the best part.
Yeah, I'm wondering, I'm looking, I'm wondering, okay.
Where is it? Come on. So this is the master bedroom.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, I can't even recognize this room.
No, because it was like the end of the house, it was the hallway, and this is perfect.
And we incorporated the hall bath into this room, so now this is a true master suite.
It's a real bathroom.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness, and the shower.
And 2 sinks. Do you know what I would have done for 2 sinks?
Wow.
Little shower. Look.
And everything is beautiful.